What's going on YouTube? Today we got the Nike Offcourt slides featuring the psychedelic graphics. The Nike Offcourt slide gives your feet a breather post-workout. Synthetic leather on the strap is durable and easy to clean, plus a soft foam ensures a full comfy foot experience. These are some of the cooler looking designs on the Nike slides. The Offcourts are pretty comfy. This is what they look like. This is probably one of my favorite pairs of slides that I did a review on. This is what the bottom looks like. Usually Nike doesn't have like that cool of designs, but they put the little alien head on there with the Nike sign as the mouth. Pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think about these. But I got a bunch of different slide reviews on my channel. As you can see, I got a bunch of slides right now. About to do a ton of reviews, so definitely check out the rest of my channel, like and comment. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Later. Also, head over to my channel if you like these slides. I just did a review on the New Balance 200 slides, so if you like these, definitely go check out the whole video on my channel.